class, today I'm going to be walking you through the online lesson module for our first physical science lesson. Our first physical science lesson is over states of matter. Our standard for this lesson is to characterize materials as solid, liquid, or gas and investigate their properties, record observations, and explain the choices to others based on evidence. Our three learning objectives are: number 1, students will be able to classify different types of matter as solids, liquids, and gases. Number 2, students will be able to recite the different properties of solids, liquids, and gases. And number 3, students will be able to gather observations and express their choices to their peers. To begin the lesson, you will need to complete the Engaged Kahoot. It is short and simple and is just for me to see where you're at when it comes to states of matter. So you'll just click this link and it brings you right to the Kahoot. Next, you will explore this topic on YouTube by watching the short video on states of matter that I have picked out. Make sure you pay attention because after you complete the video, you will have to participate in the class discussion on Padlet. You will click on the Padlet link that is provided, and when you get to this screen, you will click the plus sign down at the bottom and write one thing you learned from the video. The next part of the lesson is the in-depth explanation. You will join the Nearpod presentation by clicking this link here, and you will type in the code, which is provided, 4BNZD. You will type in your name and join the lesson, and make sure you follow along and take notes while completing this presentation, and it also has some interactive activities within it for you to complete as well. Next comes the really fun part, the lab activity. You will complete this simple lab by just freezing some water. You'll also be taking a video of yourself completing the lab with a short explanation at the end and uploading it to our Flipgrid discussion board. And before you upload your own video, make sure you watch my example video before completing yours. It's right on the Flipgrid first video that is posted. Lastly, you will participate in the short quizzes as a final assessment, just so I can see how well you understood the material. You'll click on this link here, and it'll bring you right to the quizzes. I can't wait to see how all of you respond to the activities in the lesson. Until next time, bye class!